singing and dancing and acting was amazing. Very engaging. Loved every minute of it.
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scared them off.
Very professional, very funny in parts, and loved seeing my niece in it. I'm coming next Thursday with my grandkids.
The show is amazing, it's very cute, I love the set, the costumes are amazing, and it's a great show for everybody to watch.
We're off and the birds will blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found more I loved it and I thought it was really cool. The acting and everything. I think they did a really good job.